Yeah, Vibe stays in the kitchen. Back in the kitchen again. Boy, a long time in a video. I pot them in. You just lock off the fire. Yes, off of the stove. I'm going to show you where I go on in the pot them. Because the pot them nice and the pot them ready. So I'm going to show you where I go on in the pot them right now. Alright. Bam! We have some steamed fish. Yes, man. In real life. Well done, well nice. Right now, me are hungry. It not feel nice. You get what I say? We are gonna mash it up, alright? And the steamed fish that you know, close back the pot there. Hold on, man. We have some pumpkin and turmeric rice. Yeah, man, with some carrot and some more thing in it. Yes, man. Vibe stays in the kitchen, I know. When I play with it, watch it steam. You just tell us I'm just lock off the fire, not sure. Alright, see that again. Vibe stays in the kitchen. Turmeric rice, pumpkin, turn up. Yes, man. Alright. Open up the next one I know. Yeah, man. And we have some steamed vegetable. Some steamed cabbage to be exact. Well nice. Just done, just lock off the fire. Trust me, man, boy, I feel hungry already. I'm gonna start sharing it. Vibe stays in the kitchen. Like and subscribe, them, man. Support the fire, make the fire keep burning. Good food, we say, man. Boy, I have to go look on the fish again. Because the fish look good, man. I swear to God, the fish look good, man. Boy, I make cookie food, but I still am marvel over the fish, man. The fish turn up. Steam fish done the right way, you know? Yes, my people. Subscribe and like. You don't know the thing already. Vibe stays in the kitchen. One love, one joy. Yes, man.